Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith, and today in this video I'm going to go through the new Solity GT5BK. It's a new lock to me, and we're going to open it, take it apart, look at it, install it, rekey it, and let's see what we have here. So it's a Wi-Fi deadbolt. So it has a digital keypad, it has an app, it's Wi-Fi, and it has, I think this one has Fingerprint too, and it has a key override, which I really like. I love the key override, just in case. So let's see what we have here. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's unbox what we have here. Of course, we have a manual. Some plastic. We have okay, it's pretty heavy. So we have key override, which is what I like. It's fingerprint, Wi-Fi, numbers. We have the internal parts. Well, it's good. We have our rubber gaskets. These are good. We live in a very rainy climate here. We have batteries. My pet peeve is when they don't give me batteries. Here. So here we have strike. Actually, the deadbolts have really improved. The bolts here have really improved on the quality. This one looks really good. So the quality is pretty good, and adjustable, 2 3/4. 2 3/8. And remember, Mickey Mouse, when you want to know where the top is, this one says top, but sometimes Mickey Mouse. So this is really good. Some screws and whatnot. It's a 5-pin SC1. We're going to take this apart, see how it rekeys. And of course we have, what do we got here? It looks a little bit different. We have a strike. What have we got this little thing for? I don't know. Little tool for taking something off. Some screws, strike. It looks like we have bolts for a thick door and a regular door. So that's a good option. I always hate paying extra for if I have a thicker door and I got to buy more bolts. Okay, there we go. Let's install what we have, and let's see how it goes. So here's the pieces. We're going to install it on our display. Deadbolt, and again, adjustable from 2 3/8. Just a little twist to 2 3/4. A nice manual. Mind you, I haven't read it yet, but it looks pretty good. And a template. It's actually pretty good. So it's a well laid out template for North American doors. So we're lucky there. Nice template. Step 1, we're going to install the bolt. Pretty easy. It's already set up for 2 3/4 Backset. Remember, Backsets from the edge of the door to the center of the hole. The two most popular sizes, 2 3/8, 2 3/4. I'll just put in this just lightly to hold it. Then we have, okay, so this is 2 parts. I do love these rubber gaskets. They're extremely effective. And nowadays, they're all, most of the manufacturers are catching on. Let's protect the wires. So this obviously goes underneath. And it looks like the deadbolt is good. Or the tailpiece, lazy tailpiece. There's only one way it will go in. Will it go in the other way? Nope. It will only go in the correct way, which is good. And it has a bit of an ice pick protector there, so that's good. So the 2 1/8 hole. They're just from an earlier deadbolt we were playing with for our through. Okay, now this is new to me. Okay, it's a standard thickness. Let's see if this will work. Now again, I go very, very light on this. I don't want to cross-thread it. Beginners should not use this. Use a screwdriver. I've been doing this a while, and I have it on a low torque setting. So now what I want to do on the front here is just look to make sure we're lined up. Does that look good? Looks good. Let's just, there goes the batteries. A little bit difficult. I'm assuming it goes blue to blue. A little bit of blue, a little bit of blue. Let's clip it in. Now this is interesting. This unclips. I don't know what that one does there yet. But that's obviously power. I would say that's power. Oh, look at that. Is it clipped? No, that's good. And I have 3 little screws. I'm just putting them in to go start. Again, I don't think beginners should use this. I've been using it a long time. I have it on a low torque setting. There, there, there. That's good. And of course, these are alkaline batteries. You should know by now I prefer alkalines because they will give you some warning. Look at that. As they wear out. Blah, blah, blah. Look at that. Now, I guess I should, let me just check the key. Okay, very nice. Both keys work. Let's take off the fancy cover. Well, this thing has a built-in alarm too, so if somebody beats on it, it's going to argue with us. Hasn't read my fingerprint yet. It's pretty quick. They said it's less than a second. Okay, I got a delay here. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying to download the app. I screwed up with my password at the App Store, and I have to wait an hour before they will send me my new password. So some security feature. I've never had this happen before. Sometimes I just get my password sent to me. So not their problem. I'm trying to download the app. This has been one of the most painless installs I've ever done. But now the app is screwed up, and it's not their app. It's Apple and me logging in. So stand by. We'll have more videos coming up. Again, it seems to be a really good product. It went in really, really good. The manual is fantastic so far. The screw up is me and Apple. I got to wait an hour. So I'll probably post this anyways, and stay tuned for, we're going to program it. We're going to, and then rekey it, and we'll learn other techniques to fix, bypass, whatever, this lock. Stay tuned. Sorry about the delay. Hope you enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.